In the early 20th century, the world of photography experienced a monumental shift. The age-old method of capturing images on light-sensitive photographic plates was about to be replaced by a new, groundbreaking invention. On February 21, 1932, American engineer and inventor, Kodak engineer Steve S. Sorenson, played a pivotal role in this transformation. He was the first to develop a functional electrically controlled camera, a device that would soon revolutionize the world of photography. The camera, aptly named the Kodak Electronic Flash Camera, was a marvel of modern engineering. It was equipped with a photoelectric cell that triggered the flash when it detected the lack of light, and a battery-powered bulb that produced the flash. This innovation allowed for the capture of images in low-light conditions, a feat previously thought impossible. However, the road to this revolutionary invention was not without its challenges. Sorenson faced numerous obstacles, including the need for a reliable power source and the development of a photoelectric cell sensitive enough to detect light. Despite these hurdles, Sorenson persevered, eventually overcoming each obstacle with a combination of ingenuity and determination. His work paved the way for the development of modern flash photography, a technology that would change the way the world captured and shared memories. The impact of Sorenson's invention was immediate and profound. Photographers no longer relied solely on natural light, opening up a world of creative possibilities. The ability to capture images in any lighting condition allowed for a new level of artistic expression, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in photography. In the decades that followed, digital photography continued to evolve. From the first digital cameras in the 1970s to the advanced smartphone cameras of today, each innovation has built upon the foundation laid by Sorenson's groundbreaking work. Today, digital photography is an integral part of our lives. From capturing memories to documenting history, it has become an essential tool for storytelling. As we look back on Sorenson's work, we are reminded of the power of innovation and the impact it can have on the world. In the grand tapestry of human history, the story of digital photography is but a single thread. Yet, it is a thread that has woven itself into the fabric of our lives, forever changing the way we see and capture the world around us.